Finally, get more prospects, sell more products, and earn a living using simple video marketing strategies. Discover step-by-step methods to go from video marketing newbie to superstar lightning fast, without the need for heavy technical headaches and equipment. Dear friend, have you ever wanted to create a stronger income stream using tried, tested, and proven methods? If so, the ever-growing world of video marketing is the answer. Quick question. How would you like to increase the money you make in your business? The reason I ask is because today, I'm about to hand you real-world video marketing strategies that work. From choosing the right kind of videos to make for your offer, up to the nitty-gritty of effectively using videos for marketing your offers online. So you could finally attract more subscribers, sell more products, and ultimately increase your bottom line in your business. Now you can have a strong marketing system in place that works for you 24/7 and doesn't get tired, sick, or complain in the form of video marketing. Let me introduce to you our very own video marketing course. Here are some of the powerful secrets you get inside this course. Why videos are the best way to market your products regardless of what it is. It's practically flawless. How to pick the right video for your product. It doesn't matter if you're camera shy or lacking in high-tech equipment, there's always the perfect kind of video for you. The role of SEO in video marketing explained, and how to effectively make use of this information to maximize exposure and profit. Where, what, and how to efficiently manage and make use of video hosting sites. Remember, 2 platforms are better than 1, and there are a whole lot of other sites out there. Techniques and tips on how to make a proper YouTube channel and brand yourself as an online marketer. All these exclusively for you. The best and easiest way for you to make your videos, climb up the ranking ladder and beat clueless marketers, even if they've been there for years. The do's and don'ts in making a successful marketing video, and I mean the things you should absolutely do or don't do. How to reach the top in just 24 to 48 hours after uploading your video with the proper use of this particular trick. The 4 necessary stages of optimizing your videos and how to keep the audience watching. Plus a lot more for you. You'll learn these and many more video marketing secrets in this course. Yes, you can skyrocket the results in your business with simple but effective video marketing today. Why settle for less when you could be making more money using video tactics even a newbie can deploy? Gain an edge on your competition today. You could be selling the same thing, but with these easy-to-implement video marketing tricks, outselling them is just around the corner. Now, the secrets are within your reach. It's time you stop wasting your time on outdated video marketing strategies. Okay, sounds good. But how much does this powerful video marketing training cost? With the proven business boosting secrets you get inside this course, charging $67 or even more for this would be fair. Tell you frankly, you'd be even happy to pay $97 for the game-changing video marketing tactics you find inside. But you don't have to spend that much. Today, you're getting this video marketing course for a special discounted price. We're lowering the price because it allows enough serious people to get our very secrets. To get your copy of this ebook, simply click on the link below, and you'll be directed to the payment process. After you make the purchase, you will be sent to the download area where you could start diving inside the course. From there, you can start your journey to getting more clients, selling more products, and earning better with simple but powerful video marketing techniques. It's that easy. Now, You can deploy proven video marketing tactics to gain market advantage. Again, here are some of the amazing secrets you get inside this video marketing course. Tips on how to find the right video for your offer. You'll be taught which type of videos are for which kind of offers, so you'll get maximum video traffic. Practical video marketing strategies. Discover how to make money through video marketing, even if you're just starting out with internet marketing, or even if you don't have high-end equipment. Role of SEOs in video marketing. In this book, you will learn why rich media, such as videos, are highly favored by search engines such as Google. How to maximize video viewership. Discover free and exclusive strategies that'll put eyeballs to your videos promoting your offers on the biggest video hosting site, YouTube. And many more. You're one step away from increasing your video marketing game easily. Take action today. Take advantage of this offer now and start getting better results with your business. At this very low price, you're getting a real bargain. There's really nothing to lose. Remember, you're getting secrets already proven to have made money for other video marketers. Now, it's your turn. Click on the buy button on this page and see you on the next page.